Hey guys, it's JD from Eastwood and welcome to our 2021 holiday gift guide. If you're going to be buying gifts for your parents, your kids, the spouse, your friends, this is the video for you. Or if you're finally taking a stand and you don't want your family to get you socks again this year, you're going to be able to find something in this video that you could tell your loved ones to buy for you. I recruited some of my favorite colleagues, Joe and Dave, to help me put together a list, and we've organized a bunch of fantastic products, and there are tons of great deals this year, and for a limited time only, we're doing free shipping on every order over $199, so take advantage of that while you can. We have products in this video for the welder, the fabricator, the painter, the powder coater, and last but not least, we have some general products to help you out with life around the shop in general. Of course, if none of that tickles your fancy, we have gift cards, and they are available as an option as well. Always remember that. We're going to kick things off today with Welders, starting with our beginner option. The MIG 140 is great for ease of use. It's simple to start off with. It plugs right into the standard 120 volt outlet, so you don't need a 240 to get going. It's great for patch panels, general metal work. It's also light, so great for traveling to the track or to a buddy's house, and it'll allow you to weld mild and stainless steel up to 3/16 of an inch thick. Great starter machine, will get you in the MIG welding game for less than $400. Now, on the flip side, if you're looking to get started with TIG welding, the TIG 200 AC/DC is going to be a fantastic jumping off point for you. This can run on either a 120 or a 240 outlet, so you can get started and move up to the higher power when you're ready. It'll do stick welding, and it'll weld aluminum on AC. It comes with some great extras too, like a rocker foot pedal, a gas lens kit, a more accurate flow meter style regulator, and a flex head torch. Really everything you want for right around the $800 mark. Fantastic deal for a fantastic machine. Now, moving up to some of the more serious options, the MIG 250 is going to weld some seriously thick metal, all the way up to 1/2 inch thick plate steel, and it can do that with an impressive 60% duty cycle at the full 250 amp setting. This will run you less than $900, and again, a great deal. The TIG 200 AC/DC Digital is also super impressive. It takes all the great features of the regular AC/DC and adds to it with digital functionality that makes it even easier to get perfect TIG welds. It has 2T and 4T cruise control modes, timed amperage ramp up and ramp down capabilities, pulse settings, AC/DC mix settings, there's a spot welding mode, options for scratch start or high frequency start, and 20 memory presets. It's all packed into a lightweight and portable form factor as well. It'll cost you around $1,200, and it's sure to make any TIG welder happy this season. Also, keep in mind, we have a full range of multi-process welders, great if you're looking to combine MIG, TIG, and stick welding into one machine, and we have all the accessories you could ever want, like helmets, jackets, gloves, filler rod, tungsten grinders, lens magnification, carts, clamps, magnets. We literally have all you would need, and a lot of those options make for great budget-friendly gifts as well.
All right, JD, I don't know how I can top a welder for a gift, but I do have some pretty sweet ideas for the fabricator. The Contour SDT is one of our best-selling products for a reason. This thing kicks ass. It's what you need to strip off rust, paint, grime, dirt, and you can even polish metal with it. We always say this is like having 4 tools in one. Every guy or gal working on a restoration should have one of these in their shop. While the Contour SDT is great for prepping your surface, sometimes you just need to cut out some metal. And what's better for that than a plasma cutter? We have 3 options depending on what you want to cut. Doing sheet metal? Perfect. Grab the VersaCut 20. Need to cut through super thick steel? We got you covered. Pick up the VersaCut 60. You don't know how to pick and you want to grab one in between those two? Great. Grab the VersaCut 40. Bottom line, we have one that will fit your needs and your budget. Now, you might be in a small shop and still need to chop some metal. That's where this bad boy comes into play. The mini metal saw is the perfect addition to a small shop that still needs to efficiently cut through steel, aluminum, wood, plastic, and more. Working in a small shop myself, I really like this thing because it has a cold cutting blade. That basically means almost no sparks when cutting. A nice little extra perk for the true DIYer like me. Another perk, this isn't gonna set you back considering you can get one of these things for right around $100. Sure, cutting stuff out is satisfying, but nothing is better than adding a fresh piece of sheet metal back onto your project. For that, you need to check out our line of English wheels and bead rollers. My personal favorites are the mini English wheel and the 8-inch Elite bead roller. The bead roller allows you to roll style lines into your panel, and the English wheel allows you to fabricate compound curves for that panel. We have a bunch of different sizes for both products, so check out our website and decide which one you need in your shop. Now, some of you guys might be sick of working on rusty metal and you're just ready to get your project into paint. Joe, you got any help with that?
Very nice, Dave. I second that Contour SCT recommendation. That is a solid unit. Now, when it's time to start tackling painting at home, a few items come to mind. Out the gate, whether you're laying primers, colors, or clears, you'll need the right paint gun. Our P500 and CC500 HVLP paint guns are fan favorites, and for good reason. The P500 is used for primers, and the CC500 for colors and clears. The perfect 1-2 combo that'll carry your project from bare metal to a glorious show-ready finish. Stick with these two guns and take out the guesswork. Also, while painting at home, two no-brainers that make life easier than ever. A masking tree and a heavy-duty fender stand. The masking tree lets you quickly grab the right paper to cover things like windows and other areas you don't want overspray. If parts are disassembled and off the car, utilize the heavy-duty fender stand that can hold things like fenders or quarter panels for easy access, whether tackling bodywork or laying coatings. Both these items are standard in any well-oiled DIY workspace. Speaking of stripped down or disassembled projects, this would be the perfect time to address any rust that may be present. Our Rust Encapsulator Platinum is our strongest solution, offering 3 times the protection of the original Rust Encapsulator. It can be rolled, brushed, sprayed over bare metal, clean steel, and even existing corrosion. For the ultimate rust and corrosion protection, grab yourself some Rust Encapsulator Platinum for that peace of mind. As a bonus suggestion for this category, another one of my favorites is our PDR Paintless Dent Removal Kit. Whether on one of your classics or a daily driver, the ability to touch up and address most dings and dents at home without the body shop price tag is a huge win in my book. The process, super simple. Essentially, you hot glue the pull button to your dent and let the unit gently pull and tug the dent back out. Trust me, this kit does wonders and will save you a lot of money in the long run.
All right, Joe, paint is cool, but have you ever powder coated? No? All right, perfect time to start. Powder coating is easy, it's affordable, and you don't need a ton of supplies to get started. Take a look at our PCS 150 and 250 systems that are perfect for beginners looking to get into powder coating. All you need besides a gun is a small compressor, powder, and an oven to bake your parts. I learned how to powder coat my first day at Eastwood, and I've powder coated hundreds of items since then, customizing everything from tumblers to the wheels on my car. Powder coating is also super durable and flexible, which should be enough to make you want to pick up one of these systems. If you are the beginner, we even have a bunch of accessories that can help you get started. I always recommend grabbing the powder coating accessories kit. Comes with some nice things like silicone plugs, high temp masking tape, stainless wire for hanging your parts while you're powder coating, and a few extra powder bottles. If you already know all of this and you just want to step up to the big boy, check out the PCS 1000. Countless people have opened shops with this machine, and it's a great piece of equipment if you're looking to powder coat larger items and be powder coating more frequently. We even support these units with our large 4x4 by 6 foot powder coating oven and booth. Pick up all 3 of these and you have your own powder coating business.
You know, Dave, I definitely agree with you. Graduating to powder coating at home is a game changer, especially when tackling custom jobs and anyone looking for a highly durable alternative to paint. Well done. All right. Last from me are suggestions for a better quality of life around the shop. Things that nearly everyone either wants or needs for the home garage. Also, a quick note, we all agree safety first, so for all your PPE needs like gloves, safety glasses, shields, welding jackets, etc., we've got you covered. So don't be a hero, everything you need is right here at Eastwood. So with that aside, we'll start from the ground up. First, we have our hydraulic wheel dollies. They're heavy duty, each dolly can support 1,300 pounds, and they fit most wheels, allowing you to easily store and move a vehicle around a workspace. We even offer a nifty little rack for them to easily store when not in use. Highly recommend these bad boys. Now, if you need access to under the vehicle, we've got you covered as well. We have options for ramps that you drive onto to gain clearance, and even ones that are detachable, so once elevated, you have more room below to work on the vehicle. And don't worry, these ramps are extremely capable and safe with a 3-ton max capacity. Alternatively, we have our tried and true 3-ton floor jack to let you quickly lift the vehicle off the ground, letting you put some of our 6-ton floor jacks in place to safely access and work under your car. All right, so whether you're working under or around your project, we know keeping tools, parts, manuals within an arm's reach is extremely important. Our rolling shop tray is great for this. You can roll it around, adjust the height from 18 to 50 inches, and place up to 100 pounds on the tray while completing tasks. I often think of this as a second hand around the shop, and I haven't looked back since picking one up. Lastly, probably the most obvious upgrade to a workspace is adequate lighting. Check out our modular LED light kit. It all starts with a super bright modular LED light with a magnetic base that can shine light exactly where you need it. Bolster out that kit with our underhood light bar that you could stack multiple units in a row for additional light when you're under the hood, for example. Find yourself outside the car, our tripod may do the trick. Great for detailing paint or any project really around the house. So build your kit out exactly as needed to fit your needs. You can never have enough light, and let me tell you, these eyes are not getting any better with time. So remember, this is only a fraction of the products available from our gift guide. Be sure to dive in and see what's right for you.
For a limited time only, we're doing free shipping on every order over $199, so take advantage of that while you can. Joe and Dave, thank you so much for helping me. You had some good lists. I still think mine was a little bit better, but you guys, let us know in the comments below who you think had the best selection of gifts. And keep in mind, if you still don't like anything we gave you, there's always the gift card as an option, and you can never go wrong with one of those. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel. We post tons of great how-to content over there that you're definitely gonna wanna see. We'll have all the products you saw in this video linked below. Happy holidays, and as always, thank you for watching. I'm JD, keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.